some Safari settings you need to change on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, all you have to do is go to the settings app on your mobile device. And once inside the settings, all you have to do is look for the Safari app. Scroll down and look for the Safari. And inside Safari, all you have to do is tap on the extensions option available there. Then inside extension, tap on the more extension highlighted in blue color. Then you can simply download some Safari extensions from App Store. And after you download it, according to your preferences, again go back to the settings. And inside settings, you can tap on the close tabs and you can choose whichever time you want it to close tabs of the Safari automatically. You can choose it manually, or you can also set up some time zone to delete it. So once you have done it according to your preferences, again go back to the settings Safari again. Now once in the settings, you can see there is the tab option available. From here, you can change the search address bar from the top to bottom or bottom to the top according to your preferences. Simply tap it and choose it according to your preferences and keep it. Now after this, all you have to do is tap on the hide IP address option available there and simply tap on from trackers, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. First thing first, all you have to do is go to the settings app on your mobile device. And once inside the settings, all you have to do is look for the Safari app. Scroll down and look for the Safari. And inside Safari, all you have to do is tap on the extensions option available there.